Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing the jumbo knotless box braids, and it took me less than 2 hours to do this summer protective style. So what I'm doing here is parting out diagonal sections, and I'm taking jumbo size sections to get them started. This right here is my Restoration Scalp Serum, and it will be soon available for purchase. So I apply a little bit of styling gel with argan oil in it, and I detangle her hair just to prep it for her box braids. So you take your section and you divide it into 3 pieces, and you begin to braid as usual. You don't start off the box braid with the caniculon hair because that's how the knot forms. This is a knotless box braid. So as you can see, there's no knot right there. And then I'm getting ready to take some pre-stretched caniculon hair and begin to feed it into her braid. And you can feed in as many pieces as you would like. It just depends on how long you want your braid to be. As you can see, I'm just continuing to feed in some hair into her braids. And make sure you detangle as you go, because sometimes the hair can get a little tangled. So just go ahead, pull out your comb and get it all nice and detangled so your braid can be nice and slick. And you just continue to braid all the way down to the end. I love her humor, her personality. So here's the second demonstration. Again, we're starting our braid without the caniculon hair, so that you can't see a knot. And you can continue to feed in as much as hair as you like to get the desired length that you want. I actually did this style on a customer of mine's, and I fed in some hair all the way down to about the back of her knees, and it was really nice. It turned out really nice. So if you would like to see a video on that, just let me know and I'll get that right up. Again, make sure you detangle your hair, because if not, it will look really fuzzy and we don't want that. So you just dip the ends in some hot water, and this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and be sure to subscribe.